mic check, everyone. Welcome to a brand new vlog. Today we are in a very open space and we have a special guest with us. For that, we are here to the village. आज हम लोग आए हुए हैं. Today we have with us Mr. Yakov. Mr. Yakov is from Finland and he's been traveling India on his motorbike. And today I got a chance. Yesterday actually we met and then we had a very good talk. We did a live stream. And now we are here in the village to live a farmer's life. Hello Yakov, how are you doing?
I'm doing just wonderful, just amazing. Very happy to be here. Very happy that you invited me to come. It's a pleasure, and I'm looking very much forward to getting a feel for the village life.
Yeah.
You know, spent some time in big cities in India, so it's interesting to see and experience the contrast.
Yeah, yeah.
And be close to nature. It's great.
Yep. Nice. So Yakov is here for since last 1 month I think in India. I think he started from Amritsar, India, and then he's been traveling on a motorbike. He bought a bike, and we'll show everything about Yakov in the upcoming video in this vlog, and we'll experience today. So today our plan in the village is to like spend the night here. We are going to eat food here and live. We are going to go through all the farms, and yeah. Since Yakov, you told me like you are traveling. Well, let's start walking. Yeah? It seemed like an interview then. So Yakov told me that you're more interested towards the jungle side. You know how you're traveling India, but not for the like the main places like the monuments and stuff.
Well, a bit of everything, right? Like I try to interpret life as I live it, and see. I believe there's always signs in this life. We are just talking, and it's been very interesting to see the big cities, see the monuments, see the temples. But then I got this idea, this feeling, this from deep within me that I want to see and experience the jungle, different tribes, and see that part of India as well. Because many people come to India and don't they don't see that because it takes more effort, stronger intention, stronger initiative to get to these places. It's not like you can just jump on a train and go to the jungle.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
More of the raw side of the.
But right now, yeah, but in different ways.
Yeah. This is also our farm. This is a wheat farm. So basically, wheat grows here and then they cut it and then they leave it. So in some parts of India, they burn it, but that's not considered a good practice because the soil usually gets white and out of its minerals and resources.
Yeah.
So we leave the cow here. The cow just grazes over this chunk. Yeah, so that's how it's utilized. So in some part, it's like. Dikhao.
I like it. It's natural.
It's not like too much hassle of farming, like every season we have to grow something. Some season, some part of the year we just leave the farm like as it is.
So do you the food you eat at home, your family, just like the produce come from here?
Yes, most of the time.
That's great.
Like for right now, what we're gonna eat, 90% we got, but from the farm, but 10% we had to buy.
Yeah, makes sense. Difficult to make all of it.
Do you know what this is?
Not yet. No, I don't.
It's very soft. This is chaff. Like chaff is like a byproduct of wheat only.
What is it used for?
So this cow eats this. This is the like a snacks for the cow.
I see.
Yes. So what it's called bhusa.
Bhusa.
Bhusa. Yeah. So actually, what if you wanna give a cow complete food, then we mix this and then nuts and chanas and all lot of stuff. Full complete diet for the cow and green grass as well. That's how it's like very good. What do we say? Very good quality. What we're seeing right now. Okay, so this is the place. Bricks are being made here. It's actually active. If you see on the top of the,
What do you think bricks are being made?
the bricks are being baked right now. They are being baked. Like you bake cake, no? This is actually it's burning from inside.
I can see the heat.
Yeah, so this is how bricks are. Those are bricks of this color.
Yeah.
They'll turn like this soon, but after some time, after a few days.
They
of
are made
baking.
from muds.
So-
what is used to burn it? Is it coal or?
क्या है अंदर चलाने के लिए भूसा okay the chaff only the chaff the cow dung and a lot of things so you haven't seen I'll show you how we're cooking food
Yeah.
the same way it's burning inside
I see. Yeah, but I know the cow dung burns very like it's used
Yeah.
a lot for fuel. Yeah.
yeah so that's
Oh, that's
cow
pretty
dung a lot of mixture of it
Let's
so
check
they
it out.
yeah
Oh, this is pretty cool.
they're made out of mud
Like this is the what it is burned
yeah
inside.
they're made out of mud and then they are like fully into put it into shape
Yeah.
and then they are baked like this for how much
Like
10 15 days
15-20 days.
15-20 days I think they are baked so
Wow.
that's how it's made so the bricks are being made here they'll be used in the village only
Wow.
for some
So they make their own
construction.
bricks.
Yeah
That's pretty hardcore.
Pick it up one.
Yeah.
Show it now.
and the bricks are pretty like strong
I'm sure they are.
they don't like break or something heavy
So they make their own bricks here.
yeah actually the old way of making houses was not cement and all these bricks and stuff
Mm.
they used to make it with pure mud and cow dung and the walls used to be this thick wall 2 feet 3 feet
So what? They make a fire and they just
no first they like make the what do we say bricks
yeah.
and the fire is burned at the last from the center
Okay, so they
and
leave it-
inside it's empty
Uh-huh.
it's a hole
Okay.
it's burning from
And
inside
then they cover it.
yeah then we cover it
Wow.
with more bricks pretty like it's like a skill this is the old way of making bricks how people used to like invest money in making bricks couple of 100k let's say rupees they invest and then they make bricks they are big this is like a small one people make it like super large and not one like 3 4 5 brick bhatti we call it what do we say furnace is going on it's
Oh.
live
Well, that's pretty cool. I'm a bit surprised. That's an interesting procedure.
yeah 2 days ago I think it was smoking as well when I was here so usually it's like burning it's smoking up like that never saw this भट्टी दोस्तों जिसको समझ नहीं आया हो हिंदी में बता दें कि ये एक ईंट की भट्टी है ये हमारे गांव पे हम लोग ने लगाई है तो यहाँ पे मिट्टी से जो है ईंट बना दी जाती हैं उसके बाद उनको शेप दे दिया जाता है शेप देने के बाद उनको ऐसे स्क्वायर में अरेंज करके एक स्किल होता है प्रॉपर और उसके बाद उसके अंदर आग लगा दी जाती है और ऐसा ढक दिया जाता है विद मिट्टी तो अभी उसके अंदर आग लगी हुई है गर्म है उसके पास जाते तो आपको हीट फील होती है एंड ये जो बाहर वाली ब्रिक्स है ये तो बस सपोर्ट के लिए लगाई गई है बट वो जो अंदर की ब्रिक है दे आर येलो राइट नाउ फिर वो थोड़े टाइम में जो है दे विल टर्न इनटू अ लिटिल रेड लाइक व्हेन दे विल बी फुल पक जाएंगे जब वो फुल्ली बेक्ड इन इंग्लिश व्हेन दे विल बी फुल्ली बेक्ड देन दे विल बी रेड इन कलर
That's cool. That's really cool.
cool stuff this is the stuff that you don't see much nowadays outside of village
No,
this,
yeah.
this you only find in village because in other places you directly get the bricks
Yeah, for sure.
nobody knows the procedure how they're coming where they're coming from like vegetables and stuff how they're collected they're made so I'm very interested to show you the cooking part अभी खाना बन ना जाए फिर
नहीं अभी तो टाइम लगा.
हाँ that's the treasure I was talking about
Oh.
so you want to see it closely I think cooking will take some time I also saw it day before yesterday only so this is the thrasher somebody took the wheel out because they might need it so here we are just like lighting up the fire like it's the preparation of the what do we say is the gas that we are going
Yeah,
to
it's the
use
fuel, right?
fuel right so first once it's light up then we are going to take it there over there piece by piece and then we're going to use it for the
Yeah.
to cook the food
Yeah.
cook the vegetables
As a little side note for people maybe not familiar with the Indian kind of villages or countryside, when I've been driving through these villages on the bike, I've seen many kind of almost like structures made out of the cow dung where they dry it. And I didn't know at first like what is like what are they doing? But it makes sense. So it's used again, and you use the cow dung for fuel, which is apparently a very efficient fuel, right?
Yes,
Very
yes.
long burning.
Yes.
So yeah, it's cool.
It
It's-
burns
it's not bad.
quickly. It doesn't need any kind of petroleum or something.
Yeah, yeah.
It just you just light it up with a like a piece of paper, and the fire just starts. Usually here we don't take out the outer layer, you know. Usually
No, we will take out the outer layer.
once we eat na in the plate,
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
Once we like have it in the plate, then we only eat like the inside part of it. But we do take the layer out eventually.
Yeah,
This is cool.
I never had anything like it.
Like same with tomatoes and same with potatoes, we do. They do have an outer layer, but we cook it like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And then when it's time to eat, then we take it out. Now we are starting with the part 2 of the cooking. Now first we started with the brinjal. I don't know what we're calling them. Now they're like cooked up to I think 60%, 70%. It will take a lot of time. Now the same fire will be used to make what do we say? We had chapatis, right? So chapatis we take flour and then we flatten it up. So here we don't flatten, just the dough part. We'll cook it. We'll call it bati. That's how we're gonna have it. दिखाओ कहाँ पर? This is how we're gonna.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is all for us. This is like raw. ये है बाटी. इसको गाकड़ बोलते हैं बुंदेलखंड में. We call it गाकड़ in this area. And now we're gonna just using the same fire, we're gonna place them over there. And then she's gonna cook it. And then the tomatoes. So when people here like they go on a picnic in the nearby temples or on the mountain top, they usually cook it like this only. So they usually take some few utensils and few vegetables and all the raw stuff, all the cow dung and stuff. They just take it on the mountain top and then they just have their own picnic of fresh food. Yeah, right. Same way. This is how we do it. So it's like you don't have to take like permission or anything for that. You just start cooking your food. As our food is being prepared, वहाँ पे बाटी बन चुकी है. We have tomatoes over here. Will be used for bharta.
I got a
And-
cheeky little mango.
Yeah, and the
coming
cheeky
here as
little
well.
and a small curry mango for the chutney. We have more. And there we have the brinjal or the what do we say, eggplant.
Let's see when we taste it. I'm not sure. It
Yeah,
does
yeah.
look like an eggplant, just maybe a different color.
We're gonna mix it. Like the bharta is a mixture of all these things. पूरी cooking in आज इनको पूरी cooking देखेंगे आपकी.
मित्रों, खाना खाने के बाद हम जाएंगे गाँव घूमने.
हम गांव घूमने जाएंगे. शिवांग जी हैज बीन अ कैमरामैन फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग. अब हम भी हमारी आवाज़ नहीं. शिवांग जी हैज बीन अ कैमरामैन फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग. सो नाउ अभी इनको हम माइक देते हैं ताकि इनकी भी कुछ कमेंट्री जुड़े. ये है आज के हमारे होस्ट. इन्हीं का सब करा धरा है ये सब. हम भी नए हैं, बहुत टाइम बाद आ रहे हैं.
सब भैया की वजह से हो रहा है. और इनकी वजह से हो रहा है डोगेश जी
Dogesh.
It's very important
Yeah.
in cooking, and especially if it's something like it's all about feeling.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about like all your senses are active, right?
Yeah.
So to feel the heat, feel the smell, feel how it feels in your hand,
Yeah. Right after it's cooked, how it is.
all the time, like the whole process, you know.
Yeah.
So, because cooking often, like when you ask people, like here, like how are they doing it, they can give you a recipe. It's all about feeling. It's all you just know. It's,
Yeah.
So the same with like in the kitchen, you always tasting, touching, hearing, smelling. You know,
Yeah.
like you
Yeah.
can just I can tell by a smell, or I can tell by a feel, or I can tell how a thing looks if it's done or if it's not done.
Mm-hmm.
I can smell if a carrot is cooked. You know, I know how it's gonna smell, and then I can tell if the caramel is done or if the bread is done,
I see.
or like is a fish cooked. I can just touch it. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Feels it. Oh, I'm looking so much forward to tasting it.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, now they're gonna make bharta.
What?
The bharta. The mixture of the brinjal and the tomatoes. All that we cooked is called bharta.
The mix.
Yeah. Let's go. Fresh tomatoes. It's good.
Delicious.
Yeah, right.
Nothing like it. Tastes different when you just get it.
Yeah. From the market. Hello. This is the well. It's too deep. Even I'm scared. So there's a machine under there with this what do we say, rope?
How deep is the water?
maybe 50 60
50 feet.
yeah 50 60 or more
The water.
yeah
Like
The ground level he's talking about, like inside, is too much. This water or what? Or
that tripped me out, man. I didn't.
Yeah,
I
it's-
didn't realize it was that deep.
yeah, it's actually tripping when you go like look for it for like 2 minutes.
yeah it's like an illusion
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
So what we are thinking, we're gonna run the machine, and then we're gonna take bath here. Yeah, in the evening or if it doesn't rain. Because when I was a small kid, I used to take bath here, just here like naked, like running here from here and there. All right, now we are cooking the laddu. गुड़ के लड्डू भी हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं. So this is ghee.
this is the sickle
This is the sickle which we cut from. So now we are making the sweet, the dessert part of the dish. गुड़ दे, थोड़ा सा गुड़ दे दो. It's jaggery, if you know jaggery. In English we call it jaggery, I think. Yeah.
What's it made of?
sugar cane
Sugarcane. Yeah. So this is like a refined sugarcane.
That's the flavor. It's a very distinct flavor.
Yeah. It's very what do we say, nutritious as well. I don't know if it's a yeah.
Can I have a little piece?
थोड़ा सा ना
Nothing like fresh bread.
Yeah. Have we taking off the skin of the brinjal? Yeah, like washing it and taking off the skin.
वो मैं डाल दी मत कोसो मेरा पानी से धर दे बुटू सही है
हम लोग full we are going आदिवासी.
Yeah. We're
Full
going into the
travel
jungle.
community.
We need a stick. We need some protection, you know.
Yes, we need it's a protection. It's a walking stick. इनकी थोड़ी सी पतली सी है. He is also making his own.
I don't know. This isn't dry enough. Connecting.
You know, like living here for one day is just like not enough. Even like I think 1 week is okayish, because people here have lot of so many activities to do.
Like if you want to see the traditional game chopper,
Yeah,
it's like a ludo, but it is in a
like a betting game which people play here usually in the evenings. Yeah, we can see those, and then we put some dice.
Oh fuck yeah!
Yeah, everybody milks the cow at 6 p.m.
Okay.
So if you want to see that, we can go. They just milk the cow, and we can just have the milk right there as well from the cow, fresh milk.
Wow.
So cow's milk is a little light, and buffalo's milk is like a thick one, like a full cream. So we can go there and do that also if you want to see
Sure. I'm down.
full village life.
I'm down, man. I'm down.
Because the ghee that we're eating is made from that cow only. Yeah. We also have 2 small cows. They're just growing.
Oh,
Yeah.
cows. Oh, nice. That's great.
At our homes. These are our protectors.
もう一回読みたい。どっちかってとしかキュウリよ。もう一回。
I never asked what language do you speak over there? Is
Finnish.
it Dutch?
Finnish.
Finnish. Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually from a minority in Finland called Finnish Swedish.
Finnish, Swedish.
Yeah, so I speak Swedish. That's
I
my mother
see.
tongue, but I also speak
So it's like a totally different language or similar to English?
Finnish is actually, if you like, Swedish is connected. It's a Germanic language, right? So there are different language groups. Moikka. You know, so there are different language groups, and if you're interested, numita, yo. If you're at all curious about languages, Finnish is quite an interesting language, because it is completely isolated from other languages. The only languages that are in the same in the same language group is like Hungarian and Estonian. But
I see.
it's different because you have like the Latin languages, and you have the Germanic languages, you have the Slavic languages, and they're all Indo-European languages. But Finnish is not a part of that. So Swedish is connected to like the other Scandinavian languages. Danish, Norwegian, it's connected to German, it's connected to Dutch, it's connected to English. So that's why a reason why Scandinavian people usually have very good English. Partly because, of course, it's part of the education, but also because English is quite close to the Scandinavian languages. So that's, I think, a reason why I have had an easy time. I think.
I see.
But yeah, so I'm like what you would say bilingual. I
Bilingual,
speak Finnish,
yeah.
Swedish, English,
Right,
and
right.
I also learned Portuguese.
Yeah, you lived in Portugal, I saw on your profile.
Yeah, I lived.
For how long?
It was like 1.5 years.
1.5 years.
Yeah, and then I also went to some of the old colonies. So there's like nine countries in the world that speak Portuguese. So I was in Africa also, in like some previous colonies that still speak Portuguese.
Oh.
Sao Tome and Principe and Angola. And
never-
there is a different experience because nobody speaks English, right? So you just have to speak Portuguese. So I was 2 months in Sao Tome and Principe, and I was just
Is it like
speaking
a
Portuguese.
old town? Those places are like old town, like the village or something.
Well, it depends where you go. Like Sao Tome and Principe is an interesting place. It's wild. It's completely wild, right?
Oh.
So it's just like 2 tropical islands, very small population. Angola is different. It's much bigger, the country. There's mainland Africa is a bit more intense, a bit more aggressive in some ways.
I see.
In Sao Tome and Principe, because it's 2 islands on the middle of the equator, right? It's isolated, but people are very like, it's like island lifestyle. If you ever had a chance, I do recommend going there. Like
Yeah.
it's definitely difficult to get to. There's only a few countries where you can fly there. It's one of the least visited countries in the world, but
Oh.
I love it.
Well, if you recommend, then I'll definitely
Yeah,
try.
if
Why
you're
not?
if you're in the area, if you're in West Africa, you know, if you have the chance.
Oh, way.
Yeah. The world is a big place, many places.
Yeah.
Should we go back, check?
You might have missed something. आजा छोटे भैया.
Hello. Oh, what's going on?
हेलो कर लो. ओ भरता बन गया क्या? So we have the brinjal, the tomatoes
Yeah.
in together, and they are mashing it now.
And this is coriander,
Yes.
the herbs,
Yes.
and cucumber being cut.
Cucumber, yeah.
It can be like salad.
Yes. Cucumber, ककड़ी काय में डाल रहे हैं आप? मतलब ऐसे
Salad,
ही
yeah.
सेंगी या
What about the coriander? Where's that gonna go?
ये धनिया पत्ती काय में? भरते में in the sabji.
Oh, nice.
All right, guys. So the food is here. This is the full thali that is prepared by our team. Looking very nice. So this is mata. This is milk byproduct. This is bharta. This is keri ki chutney, mango chutney. This is the bread. This is salad. This is the sweet laddu that we made, and this is the dal. The dal is homemade.
आ गए थे यार हमने क्या अरे बच्चा हम भी नहीं तोड़ पा रहे यार हमें तो सुनते पीछे ये देख रहे हैं देखो यार हम देने
He's our main host.
शुरू ही करा
He's our main host. बंद कर दें चलो ठीक है बंद कर all right so guys now it's evening time we had our lunch around 6 p.m. it was very delicious and everyone liked it so now we are just going to take a stroll we took some rest like 30 minutes of silence we were taking rest in the open it's very beautiful very peaceful and now I think it's time to move a little to the village side. Now we are going to take a stroll in the village. We are packing our stuff. Yakov needs to change his shoes, which are in the car, and then we'll be back with our camping kit and we'll be camping somewhere here in the village. All right. All right, guys. We in the village we don't have electricity connection right now, so we are walking with our own headlight, and we have full. Halogen light. This is a solar panel light जो दयार हम लेके चल रहे हैं. We 4-5 people are walking. This is how we are touring the village today. Yakov also have a headband. Yeah. Full man versus wild. Bear Grylls.